Hello friends, welcome to Side Decking Analysis YouTube channel. In this video, we will be discussing in detail on the topic of thematic investing. It's a unique way of investing into a stock market. It's a new generation form of investment. As the word thematic says, investing based on a particular theme. In this, we are not investing on a particular or a single stock. Here we are investing on a bunch of stocks which comes under particular theme which we choose. Okay, then what is thematic investing? Has a word represents thematic. Thematic means we are investing based on a particular theme. For a particular theme, we are finding out the stocks and we are investing into a theme. It's called as a thematic investing. As the name implies, thematic investing is a strategy that seeks to align asset selection with a certain social, economic, or corporate themes relevant in the society. For example, I had taken example for theme of renewable energy for explaining purpose. If you think that renewable energy is a way of future, forces that replace one day it will replace a fossil fuels, because fossil fuels and crude oil will be exhausted one or the another day or of upcoming decades. You can invest in a theme that designed specifically in that view, so you can save your valuable time and energy to do other things, uh, of being burdened with the cumbersome and high level research work that is required to manually build the portfolio yourself. In this effect, you can focus on ideas and let focus on the theme of a stocks which you are selected. Next, what is a theme? Theme is a ready-made idea-based portfolio stocks. It is designed keeping in mind the underlying idea of investment and rationale behind it. The stocks within the theme are chosen carefully, shortlisted series of steps using many filters. We can in one click we can find and we can track the theme as we focus on a particular theme of a stocks. How thematic invest? Explore unique themes. Nowadays there are many unique themes we can explore or we can find and we can invest in it. We have two unique themes built based on the innovative concepts, ideas which are shaping the world around us. You can also choose a theme which suits your conviction, or which you like the sector, or a theme which you like, you can choose that also. Categories: each theme put into a separate category, so you can sort them based on your preferences. Categories allow the shift through a wide variety of in a shorter time. You can example looking into a theme government based policies, you can filter and you can click within one click you can get a talks which are in that particular theme which you are looking. Make a decision, read about the themes, like compare it, benchmark which it is asset class in which it is, like a gold equities, uh, to know how it has been done in the past and configure the returns which are generated. Next, manage weights. In this thematic investment, you can manage weights by dividing your investment fundamental or very strong fundamental stock, and we can spread some investment in which you have low conviction. Also, you can divide. However, based on the risk appetite, you can change the weights as they fully customizable. You can take full charge of a allocation of a managed risk and return in the way you can comfortable. Here we can generate good profit if you focus on a particular thing which you have high conviction that it will be going to give a multiple returns in the upcoming years. Themes for investing. In this video we will be discussing in detail of 5 themes. For understanding purpose, I am explaining 5 things we will be discussing in detail with a stock, and which category the stocks comes. Okay, first theme is the housing. Have you people everyone knows the house is a very essential thing for every common person to a very rich person also. House is a evergreen, housing is a evergreen theme which you can bet. Next theme we are discussing auto tracker. Mainly focused auto tracker is a theme which I have selected for focusing on automobile sector. And third is the Indian middle class theme. It is one of the attractive theme. And fourth is the smart city theme. As you people know, the government of India declared a smart city projects in various cities in many states of the country, India. We can select use a unique way. It's also a unique way because we are selecting the stocks of the theme, the smart cities, for a stock which it will be benefited by these projects. And last is a very interesting theme, luxury lifestyle. Nowadays, as the income increases, people shift towards a luxury lifestyles. We will discuss further of this video. First, we will move on with the housing theme. As you people know, housing is very essential, and we are in this theme. We will discuss the which category comes and in what category what stocks lies. We will discuss. For building materials, first category of in this housing theme is building materials. First stock for comes under this building materials is Phenolics Industries. It's also a very famous company for manufacture of a building materials like cables, many things. In Kajaria Ceramics in the manufacture of tiles and many decorative building materials for the construction. JSW Steel, it's a manufacturer of a steel which is very essential for the construction of the buildings. APL Apollo. APL Apollo is a stock company which manufactures the steel tube, steel pipes for the which is required for the construction. And Century Plyboard, it's which is manufacturing a plywoods for furniture, which is very important. Next comes category comes paint, Asian paint and the Berger paint. As housing requires a painting, also we have chosen a paint category painting. And in this we are taking a Asian paints and the Berger paints. There are many paint sector stocks. You can also look into that, but I have chosen for learning purpose or understanding for better. Next comes the cement. Cement is also very essential. It is must for a construction purpose. In this housing theme, cement category also comes. In that we have taken, for example, ACC cement, Ramco cement, JK cement. This is the three categories. There are still more categories we will discuss. Household appliances. As we construct houses, buildings, appliances are very must and compulsory for living purpose. For this category, Crompton, Graves, Cosnibor Electricals, Bajaj Electric, Orient Electrics. These are the manufacturers, the electrical appliances which is required for the houses like fans, many fans and the lights, many things. Next comes for the housing theme, we also require the housing finance companies. Many people will be not having much money for construction, so they go for the housing finance for taking a loan to construct their houses or buildings. Canfin Homes, Housing Development Finance Corporation, that is HDFC Limited. These are the categories comes under the housing theme. First we discussed building products category, paints, then cement, then household appliances, then housing finance. Then next we will move on to our next theme. Our next theme was auto tracker. That is automobile theme. In this automobile theme, we will be discussing A to Z stocks which comes under automobile. First, we will go with the major thing is tires. We have considered three examples for tire industries: Balkrishna Industries, Apollo Tires, and Fiat Limited. These three also manufacture of tires in the country. Then we will move on to our next category of automobile theme. That's very important. Auto parts. These are the very important, essential things for to construction of any automobile vehicles like car, truck, buses, etc. First, we are these are the list of stocks which manufactures the auto parts and many things we will discuss. First, endurance technologies. Endurance technologies are in the manufacture of alloy wheels, suspension, transmission like gearboxes and the differentials, many things, and the braking products parts, braking parts. Exide Industries, they are in the manufacture of the batteries which are used for in the car or in the all vehicles. Jamna Auto Industries, these are in the construction of auto accessories like or suspensions, braking parts. Okay, and then Mahindra CIE Automotive. This company Mahindra CIE Automotive in the construction of auto components, parts, forging of the body and the casting, stamping and magnetic products. And then comes Minda Industries. It's also in the manufacture of auto parts, spare parts and switching system, horns and the alloy wheels and many things, etc. And next comes the Sundaram Fasteners. As we told that for this theme we will cover all A to Z stocks which comes for building a automobile product. Fasten Sundars. These companies are in the manufacturing of high tensile fasteners like nuts and bolts and motor and the accessories which are required for the vehicles and motor parts, inner parts. Okay, and then comes the mothers and Sumi systems. These are also in the areas of automobile where they help in the making or manufacturing of prototype of a production of a car body or a chassis and designing the body and many things, etc. Then last comes is Saint Gobain. This stock many people been owing because has the automobile vehicles requires a glass also. This stock is into a manufacturing of a glass. Saint Globin. Maruti, as per my knowledge, Saint Globin also glasses for the Maruti Suzuki vehicles. As per my knowledge, these are the two categories we discuss. Auto parts. We'll move on next. Then we will take the automobile stocks. As I discussed previously, tire stocks and automobile parts stocks. And we will here all look into all automobile stocks which you can combine the three categories and make a theme of automobile. Ashok Leyland is in the construction of all trucks and the small carriers and the buses. Tata Motors is into manufacture of all domestic vehicles and the cars and the commercial vehicles also, trucks, buses and etc. Maruti Suzuki is on the manufacturing of a cars in India from many years. Mahindra and Mahindra is also in the manufacture of cars, commercial vehicles and the tractors. Eicher Motors. Eicher Motor is manufactures Royal Enfields in the country and the Eicher trucks and buses and many things, etc. Escorts is the manufacturer of the tractors in the country. Hero Motorcorp is the manufacturer of the motorcycles and the leading producer of motorcycles in the world. Bajaj Auto is also in the manufacturing of three wheelers like auto rickshaw, and they are into manufacturing of bikes and super bikes also. And TVS Motors are in the manufacturing of bikes. Then we will go into a next theme, that's the Indian middle class. In this theme, we will be taking stocks and the category of stocks which day to day life middle class person uses products like household products. In household products, we get Hindustan Unilever Limited, HUL, and Jyoti Labs and Godrej Consumers. These all companies manufacture the products which are consumed by the every people and for the household users. Then personal products, like in personal products, Gillette India, which is a manufacturing of the products which used in for the shaving purposes and many things. Products are comes under the stocks. Marico Limited, which is also a producer of parachute oil and then Fortune oils and so for many things. ITC is also manufacturer of many FMCG personal goods like daily consumables, and it also operates in the manufacturing of tobaccos in the country and gold flake cigarettes manufacturers in the country. Next, same thing we discussed, home electronics. Crompton Graves Consumer Electricals Limited, Havels, and the Bajaj Electricals, which are used for the uh, daily usages like iron box, vacuum cleaners, fans, washing machines, and many things. In this Havels, it manufactures AC under the name of Lloyd, which was acquired in the previous years by the company. In this middle class theme, Next comes the departmental stores, where we have taken Avenue Supermarts, that is a DMart, and the Trent Limited for the clothing and everything for daily consumables. Next comes the category used, I had discussed for the middle class theme, is the restaurants, because everyone will be visiting a restaurants twice in a month, or once in a month, or thrice in a month. It depends upon their lifestyle. Here I have taken only one stock, that's the Jubilant Foodworks. Runs the Domino's pizza in all over the India, and as per the theater is also part of a common middle class person lifestyle. I have selected Inox Leisure and the PVR, two multiplexes companies which are in the listed space, and they also move for the jewelries and the watches for their lifestyle. In that case, we have selected the Titan company, which is a manufacturer of a watch from the many years in India, and they also have a jewelry store that called Tanishq. Next, middle class people also hotels and travel. Whenever they go from one place to one city to another city, they require for a travel. They require a medium of travel, and for staying, they require a hotel. As I first one is the Indian Hotels. Is a list in a listed space. Is one of the good stock. Indian hotels, Taj hotels also comes. Taj group of hotels also come under the stock, and Lemon Tree hotels. This can be accessible for middle class person. And the IRCTC, it is a stock which is an analyst space, which is helps in the booking and the travel for in the Indian Railways. And next is the airlines, that is SpiceJet I have considered. Next, healthcare. As you people know that for every common person or any person, rich to poor, healthcare is very necessary, because one or the one should have the access to the healthcare also. In this theme, I had selected the healthcare also. In healthcare, Apollo hospitals, it's all over the India, and the Narayana Rudralaya also a very good brand in the south, also has cardiac and many treatments, and the Amsterdam healthcare and the Thyrocare for the uh, checking and the testing of many diseases. Okay, then we will move on to our fourth theme, that is smart city. In this theme, first we will go with the category. First, we'll move on with the category, that is power and equipment. For a smart city, we require essential is that electricity, and the transmission mode of electricity should be uniform and should be in advanced way. In this, we have selected Finolex Cables Limited, Kalpataru Power Transmission Limited, KI Industries, and V-Guard Industries. These all are in the uh, power and equipments. Power transmission is for Kalpataru Industries, and others are for the equipment of the power transmission. Next, we require same thing, cement and building products, ACC Cement, Heidelberg Cement, APL Apollo Tubes, Supreme Industries Private Limited, JSW Steel. Okay, these are comes under the cement and building products, which is are essential for the smart cities development. Next, next comes the paints, which are considered Asian Paints and Kansai Nerolac. These are the three categories comes under smart city theme. There are still more categories. We will next look into it. For smart cities, there should be gas line connections for every house. For that, we have taken two gas line companies, uh, gas distribution companies, Indraprastha Gas Limited IGL and Mahanagar Gas Limited MGL. And next comes for the doing the work and construction work and engineering work of the city, we require some companies in the listed space which does these works for the government of in the case of the construction. Larsen and Tubro Limited is a very good fundamental and which is very old companies in all over the world, in major many countries. There are this company serves their businesses. And next, Dilip Buildicon and IRB Infra and Voltos Limited. I will tell why Voltos is selected, because as the smart city development takes place, we require a cold storage facilities and air conditioning facilities. So I had taken the Voltos Limited. Let's have a look into our last theme. That's a interesting theme, luxury lifestyle. You people know that has the income increases of our people, they most try to move towards the common lifestyle to luxury lifestyle. For in the luxury lifestyle theme, first we will look into a retail and appeals. First comes the Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail, it is in the clothing. And next Trent, it is also in the clothing. Next, for the luxury lifestyle, people demand luxury interiors. Sera Sanitary Ware Limited, manufacturing of sanitary bath fittings, and Kajari Ceramics is in the uh, manufacture of luxury tiles and premium quality tiles and products for the building. Okay, and next comes the jewelry and watches. Same, only in listed space Titan company is only a good company for the jewelry and the watches. Then we will have a look into our next category, real estate. People demand in the luxury lifestyle, people move towards the luxury houses or luxury apartments in India. As per my knowledge, Godrej Properties and Oberoi Realty Limited are the two good companies which are into a construction of a luxury properties in metropolitan cities of the country, big cities of the country. Oberoi Realty and Godrej Properties. These are the four categories which comes under the luxury lifestyle. Next, there are some more categories. Casino and gaming. As the people move towards luxury, they like to go in a casino and for the enjoyment, for the weekend purpose. In listed space, only one and only stock is Delta Corp Limited. This company operates the casinos in various parts of the country of India, like Goa, Sikkim, Daman. In Goa they have casino offshore boats in the river Mandovi River on in Goa, and Sikkim also, and Daman also. Next comes the hotel, resorts, and the travel. For this category of, we have chosen Mahindra Holidays, which are into a resort business and which have luxury resorts in all over the country. And next, Indian Hotels, same Taj Group of hotels, and then EIH Limited, that is Hotels Limited, which is in the many parts of the country. And next is the Indigo Airlines for the traveling purposes. This is a of the study of luxury lifestyle theme, and we discussed here of total 5 themes with the example and a category of a stocks comes under it. In this video we have discussed what is a thematic investment, and what how does the thematic investment works, and we have discussed the 5 themes with, as I told, I have completed this video. Disclaimer, I had need to give a disclaimer. Investing in stock market is subjected to market risk. This video is purely for educational purpose only. I am not telling to buy or sell anything. Please consult your financial advisor before investing in stock market. I am not SEBI registered advisor. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, if you like the video, please like, share and comment, and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon for the notification of future videos. Take care guys, stay home, stay safe.